Jeremy O'Neill, again, about 35, 40 kilos of armour. Sarah Hay in a full head-to-toe harness.
Are you ready, Pequeno?
Charge on. They need to actually break the timber on the end of the lance. Now, the timber on the end of these is meant to break. It's a hardwood. Just waiting for the horses to get settled. And charge on. Oh. Sarah Hay in the gold comparison. Sasha Bookman in the green and white. With their horses and their armour. Now, even though this is a proper competition and this is real jousting,